Welcome to
Cars
with Friends. See how that turned out?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't even see it. No, bring it closer. Yeah, that's better.
Yo, what's happening? I'm just sorting some bits out of my van for tomorrow. Big day ahead of me. Trying to find something. They do not live in there. Headed up to Simon's unit in a minute because I've got some things to discuss. I need to drop this up to him. Sweet little VP race can. And I need to measure something up. And I've just pulled my verniers out. Absolutely broken. So I need to take something up to him to measure up. Right, before I go as well, I want to show you what I'm going to be measuring at Simon's and what I've got going on up here. You just need an engine in your living room, really. Too cold to work outside. This is the cross flow out of my Ford Escort, which I will be going over in great detail in the next vlog. Right, this is what I've been measuring up at Simon's unit. Piston rings. These are the pistons out of this engine. They are a custom size. You can't buy them in stock in the UK. And I'm having the full winter refresh, so I'm going to change the piston rings. So I've got to measure the top and middle ring, send the measurements over to one of my pals, and he's going to get some rings either made or sourced for me. Oh, you dirty little bastard. There we go. Pow, top ring. Being real careful not to break one of these rings. Because if push comes to shove, I will be reusing them. There's nothing wrong with them, I just want to do a refresh. So normally when you take piston rings off, they snap. But these are still fresh, so it's alright. Head up to Simon's now, see you up there.
With Kyle. It's actually pancake day. You'll be watching this on a Friday, but it's pancake day today, and we're doing the time-honoured tradition of getting a kebab on a pancake day. It is long making pancakes, and standard English pancakes, the flat ones, are the word. You need the American
big bad boys.
Oh, the buttermilk ones, yeah, bacon. Woo, but kebab time. Welcome to Cars with Friends. I'm with Kyle, the other half of Cars with Friends, and we basically are starting a YouTube channel because all we do is tinker with cars. A few projects on the go, and we're just at my unit at the moment because Carl's is a bit messy to go in, and we're going to clean it so we can get some videos.
We will do a full walk around of my unit, car, everything I've got to offer.
In my unit we've got my go-kart, my second fun car. The main reason for the channel is my Starlet. Got a load of plans this year. Basically, it is going BMW compact running gear because I've got so used to it in this, and it's going to go 1.6 MX-5 engine with a little TD04 turbo, so it should be about 240 brake, weigh about 800 kilograms, and have slightly more modern suspension, so it should go good round track.
Yeah, so I come up here to measure A, my piston rings, and B, talk to you a lot about my Escort. I forgot my piston rings. So basically my Escort, current state, it's up on axle stands, no gearbox in it. My clutch went bang, so I decided to take the engine out and give it a winter refresh. So as you see in my living room, it's all stripped down, ready to go. I'm gonna throw it all back together, and we got a track day booked in June at Goodwood's Player Show, which I'm 100% dedicated. I'm gonna get my car there, gonna get out on track, and a few other brands evenings as well.
I'm sorry, I feel like a plonker doing this and awkward, but we're just going to have to get used to it basically. Yeah, we both got full-time jobs. Yeah. We're going to try and get a video every Friday if we can, and basically whenever we're tinkering in the garage or someone's doing a track day or we're doing whatever, we're just going to try and film it and bring you along for the ride.
Yeah, there'll be a big variety of content. There'll be cars, bikes, wiring, welding, going to see pals, track days, bike events. There'll be everything included. Some how-to videos as well.
Yeah.
Definitely.
How we do
Yeah.
things, not the right way, but how we do things.
Yeah.
But yeah, so just a quick introduction, and that's it.
Yeah. Subscribe.
See you in the next video. Yeah, I'll subscribe.
Subscribe.
I'll press the wrong button.